Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about Sun change its sign from Pisces to Aries from 14th April 2021 to next 30 days. Sun is a royal planet. Sun is a Atma Karak. Sun represent your soul. Sun represent your respect in social circle. Sun represent your tie-ups with government. Sun represent your links with higher authority. Sun represent your all around success in life. If you have a strong sun in your birth chart, you will definitely grow beyond your expectations. If you are debilitated sun in your birth chart, you will suffer a lot. You don't have any self-respect in your social circle. You are always trying to perform your best, but you are failed. Sun play a big role in astrology because sun is a king of the all planet. All astrology, all planets, 9 planets, 27 nakshatra, they all are like a servant of sun, because sun play a big role in astrology. Sun is all around king. So today I'm going to talk about sun transit in Aries from 14th April 2021 to next 30 days. Sun transit in Aries sign, you know very well, my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to sun transit in Aries sign, and you will make your life easy and better. First of all, if you have a sun Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, then this prediction will apply on you 90%. If you don't have any sun Mahadasha or Antardasha, but sun is a ruling planet like 9th Lord, 10th Lord, 1st Lord, 5th Lord, 11th Lord, then you will get 60% promising results. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 14th April 2021 to next 30 days. Sun transit in your first house, being a lord of your fifth house, transit in your first house, you will earn a lot of respect. You will earn a lot of gains. Some unexpected gains are there. Your health will fine. You will enjoy all around success and comfort. Sun transit in your first house will give you a lot of strength. Your confidence level will be sky high. You will achieve new goals, you will fulfill your all dreams. This time when 5th Lord transit in your first house in exalted motion, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Your old investment will give you fruitful results. You will get name, fame, prosperity in your social circle. You will enjoy a lot of good moments with your family and friends. This whole time when sun transit in your first house, you will success and achieve a lot of goals. Aries, this is a very fruitful time because sun is a very comfortable in first house in Kalpurush Kundli as well. So as per your ascendants, as per Kalpurush Kundli, sun transit in your first house, it's one of the ultimate position of sun. You will enjoy very good health, you will enjoy very good energy, a positive energy you will enjoy. And whatever you plan in future, this is a right time to execute your planning in reality, and you will enjoy all round success. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, sun transit in your 12th house. Your 4th Lord transit in your 12th house. You need to be careful. You need to be careful while spending your money. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. If you are willing for PR or work permit, or you are waiting for any type of visa related to foreign country, you are already applying and you are waiting, you are in a queue, then you will definitely get visa, because sun transit in your 12th house will definitely brings you far away place from your land. There is a strong chances for some long distance journey seen as per dynamic. So Taurus ascendants, this is a very fruitful time. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, if you are willing for work permit or any type of PR, already you are applied PR or work permit, you will definitely blessed with the success. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants, sun transit in your 11th house, which is one of the wonderful position of sun. 3rd Lord transit in your 11th house. One Upchaya house Lord transit in 2nd Upchaya house. These both are Upchaya houses. 3rd house and 11th house is a Upchaya houses. So 11th house sun transit, your source of earning will develop. You will get success. You will achieve a lot of goals. You are mentally relieved. Your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy very good earning savings. You will get a lot of support for higher authority. You will enjoy a lot of gains from your investments. Your professional life will be top and sky high. You will earn a lot of money, fame, prosperity. This time, Gemini, if you are unemployed, you will definitely get job. If you are already in work and your work is not going to give you profit, after 14th April, you will definitely blessed with a big amount of money. if you're willing to apply loan, if you're willing to apply anything related to finance, your finance will be far, far better compared to last few months, because third Lord transit in your 11th house. You will get finance through friends. You will get, you will get lot of good opportunities or plannings through your friends, because 11th house is a house of your social circle, your friends, your links with higher authority, your dreams and desires. If you have a sun Mahadasha or Antardasha in your natal chart, you will definitely blessed with a lot of gains. Some unexpected, monetary gains are there. You may earn money through lottery or through speculation. But once you must check your horoscope from nearest astrologer, he will guide you which type of planets you have, which type of Mahadasha, Antardasha you have. Then you do anything related to speculation. Otherwise, don't take risk. Overall, financially, you will be far, far better position compared to last few months. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendant. Cancer Ascendant, second Lord transit in your 10th house. You will blessed with a job. You will blessed with a work. You will enjoy all around success. You will get name, fame, position. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity, money, respect. Because your second Lord transit in your Dasham Bhav, 10th house. Relationship with your father will be a far better. And father blessings will be a biggest game changer for you. Cancer, you need to perform your best. Put your energy at your workplace. You will definitely blessed with a lot of gains. This whole time brings a lot of fruitful results. You will enjoy all around success. Comforts are there. Money matters will be far, far better. Your savings will rise. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of respect at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Try to perform your best. This is a wonderful way. If you are unemployed, you will definitely get job. This is a wonderful time. Cash this time through your hard work, through your dedication or determination. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Your Lagan Lord transit in your Navam Bhav. Good fortune is in your favor. Your all pending work will click from 14th April 2021 to next 30 days. You will be on another height of success. Some long distance journeys or some partnership, long distance partnership will make you happy. Your finances will be excellent. Your father's support are there. Your family support are there. You will bless with a big amount of money. You will bless with a lot of religious activities. You may go for some charity. You may help someone. You may go for some religious activities. This whole time, this 30 days will be a biggest game changer time for you, Leo. Perform your best. Put your energy, put your efforts at your workplace. The more you put efforts, the more you get fantastic results, because your fortune is in your favor. When good fortune is in favor, then your mud will become in gold. So your ascendant Lord transit in your Navam Bhav. Blessings of your father will be a biggest remedy for you. Must go for the Surya Namaskar, read Aditya Hriday Srotra, and try to touch feet of your father every day morning. You will definitely bless with a lot of success, fame, rewards, good fortune are there, and your all pending work will click. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant, Sun transit in your Ashtam Bhav. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful about your health. Some hidden problem will arise related to your health, but overall Sun is exalted here. If you are a researcher, if you are a yoga teacher, if you are any type of spiritual guru, you will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Your 12th house Lord transit in your Ashtam Bhav. It's like a Viprit Raj Yoga. You will blessed with a unexpected gains. You will blessed with a money which is you never expected. You will get money from that way which you never expected. Virgo, perform your best. This time will brings you lot of good events of your life. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, PR, work permit, or you are going for the travel, any type of traveling in far away place from your land, then this is a fantastic time for you. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant, Sun transit in your Saptam Bhav. You will get business opportunities. You may start some new business venture with someone. Sun transit in your 7th house will bring your daily income will grow. You will enjoy all-round success. Your finances will be ultimate and better. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind. Your health will fine, and you will enjoy all-round success. Some new business opportunities will knock you, and you must start a new business, because Jupiter is also entering your Pancham Bhav and Sun is exalted in your 7th house. Your daily income will grow. Your finances will be much better. Your relationship with the spouse will be ultimate. But in Kalpurash chart, Sun is not comfortable in 7th house. So you need to be careful while talking with your spouse. Give some respect and honor to your spouse. Listen to your spouse. Sit with him or her. The more you give time to your spouse, the more you get fantastic results. Otherwise, you may be a part of any problem if you are not listening to your spouse, because 7th house in Kalpurash chart, Sun is not comfortable. But as per your ascendance, Sun is exalted here. So you will get a lot of blessed, like you will get a lot of gains through your work, through your professional life. And this whole time brings a lot of business opportunities. You may invest your money because your 11th Lord transit in your 7th house. You may invest your money in partnership. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio ascendant. Scorpio ascendant, your 10th Lord transit in your 6th house. Your old debts will clear. If you're willing to apply new loan, your loan will be click. You may buy new vehicle. You may, some foreign activities will make you happy. You will get some order from far away place. You may get some order from foreign land, because Sun transit in exalted motion in your 6th house, aspecting is on your 7th house. It will definitely give you some foreign transactions which will make you happy. This whole time you will be sky high and top. Professionally, you will grow a lot. Some unexpected gains are there. Some new business opportunities are there. This whole time brings a lot of success, mental peace. You will enjoy all around comforts. Scorpio, try to perform your best. Don't trust on strangers, because your ascendant Lord transit in your Ashtam Bhav after 13th April. So you need to be careful while showing your trust on strangers. Don't sign any document, without the expert's advice. So perform your best. Sun transit in your 6th house will definitely grow a lot. Your competitors are not able to stand in front of you. If you are unemployed, you will 100% get job. If your business or profession is not going to give good results, you will definitely earn a lot of money. So wish you all the best, Scorpio. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendant. Sagittarius ascendant, your 9th house Lord, Sun transit in your 5th house. What a combination. This time, 14th April to next 30 days, you will become very creative, and your creativity create magic at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, and you will get some unexpected money like commission, brokerage, or any type of partnership are there. This whole time when 9th house Lord transit in your Pancham Bhav, you will bless with a lot of gains. Success is there. If you are a student, you are focused on your education. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, your relationship will turn in a long lasting relationship like marriage. This whole time, if you are a sportsman, if you are a journalist, if you are linked with any entertainment industry, 9th house Lord exalted in your Pancham Bhav, you will blessed with a new deal. You will blessed with a new, you can say a new deal or any type of new financial activities which will make you happy. Your bank balance will be full of money. You will enjoy very positive energy. Sagittarius, the way you give respect to your father and grandfather, the way you get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendant. Capricorn ascendant, Sun transit in your 4th house, being a lord of your 8th house, transit in your 4th house. You will get a lot of mental peace. Your homely atmosphere will be better. But you need to be careful, because Ashtam Lord is in your 4th house. Some unexpected hurdles are there related to your personal life. Don't be a part of any litigation problem. Just perform your best, put your energy. You will definitely grow. 4th house Sun transit. You may start something learning new. If you are willing to start any new business, you may start. This is a very fruitful time for you. You will get a lot of mental peace. Your homely atmosphere will be wonderful. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendant. Aquarius ascendant, Sun transit in your 3rd house. Your confidence level will improve. Due to your confidence level and courage and willpower, you will perform your best at your workplace. This whole time from 14th April to next 30 days, you will bless with the unexpected gains. Your 7th Lord transit in your 3rd house. Your confidence level will be sky high. Your siblings will support you, or you may support your siblings. Sun transit in your 3rd house will bring a lot of gains, lot of good health, lot of short distance journeys which will make you happy. Sun transit in your Tritiya Bhav, 3rd house. You will definitely, in a great confidence if you want to start anything new. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind, success, achievements, fame, rewards, and you will get gains through short distance journeys as well as long distance journeys. Good fortune is in your favor. Aquarius, perform your best. This period never come back when you will get a lot of business opportunities. That is all up to you which opportunity you want to execute in near future, but you will get abundance of opportunities related to your professional life. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Sun transit in your second house. Your savings will rise, your family will support you, your eating habits will arise, you will enjoy all round comforts, you will earn a lot of money, fame, prosperity, there is no doubt. Your health will fine. If you have any type of disease in past few weeks or month, then this time after 14th April, you will enjoy very good health. Your all physically problem will finish, and you will be in a great confidence. Your savings will be ultimate. Your family support are there. You will enjoy all around success. Pisces, don't talk without thinking. Try to perform your best in your relationship. Don't show your ego or attitude in front of anyone. Overall, this sun transit will bring a lot of happiness, peace of mind, finance, family support are there, and your eating habits will rise and your savings will rise. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.